Hi, I'm Jules Heptonstall, Global Tanning Ambassador at Tropez, and today I'm going to be talking you through how to apply our new Self-Tan Express Advanced Bronzing Mousse, the quickest way to Tropez. It's our most advanced formula yet, allowing you to choose the depth of your tan, whether you leave it on for 1 hour for a light sun-kissed glow or 3 hours for a deeper, darker bronze. It contains 100% natural tanning agent, Vegetan Premium, which matches to your natural pigmentation, and is streak-free and easy to apply. For best results, exfoliate 24 hours before tanning with our tan-enhancing body polish for a clean and even canvas. Immediately prior to application, moisturize any dry areas such as your elbows, knees, hands and feet. Using our applicator mitt, apply a generous coating of Express Mousse all over in long, sweeping motions, starting from your ankles and making your way upwards. For your back, I would recommend turning the mitt back to front and then applying in the same way. For your face, if you have fair hair, you may want to add a touch of moisturizer to your eyebrows to stop the tan from clinging to these areas. I usually mix with a pea-sized amount of moisturizer, then massage into your face with your mitt. Use the leftover product on your mitt and lightly glaze over your hands and feet to finish. Don't forget to claw your hands to ensure you achieve a natural finish. The Intelligent Shade technology allows you to choose your shade of tan. 1 hour for a light sun-kissed glow, 2 hours for a golden tan, and 3 hours for a dark bronze. Once you have chosen your desired look, shower off your tinted guide colour and pat yourself dry. Your tan will continue to develop for up to 8 hours. You should exfoliate and moisturise 2 to 3 times a week with our tan-enhancing body moisturiser and polish, topping up as required.